Hi guys, I'm back. We're going to do one more quick pour with the leftover colors from the last several videos, just because I totally hate to waste paint, and I don't know. You never know what you can come up with when you use leftover paint, so I hate to say, oh, this is going to turn into an ugly painting if I use certain colors. So we're just going to give them a try. I think actually we're going to use the black instead of the white this time. Well, maybe we'll use both. We'll start with the black and use some of that heather purple, some of that navy blue. We're going to go ahead and use the ripe apricot just because we have it. And yeah, I think we're just going to use that white too, just so we can use up all the color. And that, let's put some gold down first. Okay, whoops, some black. I'm going to use some of that taffeta pink, even though I don't care for it. We're going to use it anyway because we have some. And let's go for some navy. And the rest of this gold. Even though we seem to lose the gold in every single painting we've done so far. That's it for the gold. Put more of that purple heather in there. And let's go for some more black. And let's do that taffeta pink. Okay. And the rest of that white. Okay. Some of the, no, let's do the rest of the navy. There we go. And the rest of this heather color. There we go. And a pinch of black to top it off. There we go. Whoops, we poured some of it out. That's okay. I'm going to pour some black just because I have some left on the corners here. There we go. And that's going to do it. I don't like the way that white sort of mixed with that, but that's okay. We got cells galore. We're going to torch it anyway. There we go. Okay. Use our palette, our trusty palette knife there. Wet down more of the canvas. There we go. Okay, now we're just going to grab it and spread it from there. Try not to touch the other paintings because I have all those other paintings on the table, all wet. Uh-oh. The doggy is running, barking after something. Okay, let's get us a corner catcher real quick. Well, this is a little corner catcher, but hopefully it'll work just fine. I'll go off this corner first. Well, I like the way that blue and that taffeta and the white and the black all kind of mixed together. It's very pretty. The only thing I don't like is this section right there. So we're probably going to pour a lot of that off one corner, hopefully. I don't want to lose a lot of those blue and white cells right there. I'd like to keep as many of those as possible. So we're just going to squeeze in that corner catcher. There we go. Okay, back the other way. Drag it down. Ooh, those are pretty. I was a little apprehensive about mixing that white and that black together, but it seems to be working out well. So we're going to go back this way. This is a much darker painting with that black in it, but still I'm liking it. Come on. Off the corner there, off the corner. There we go. back, drag it down. Okay, I don't know, I'm kind of liking this now. I'll drag it back to the center there and off of this corner now. Keep our fingers crossed this works well. Get rid of most of that off that corner. Ooh, there we go. Okay, one last corner. Oh, I don't like what this corner is doing, so we may have to go back a little bit. Yep, I'm going to grab that corner anyway. Okay, come on. There we go. Okay, let's go back the other way and get rid of this corner because it kind of turned ugly. There we go. That's better. Alright, let's bring it back to the center. And then we're going to be done with it.
Yes.
Okay. That corner got stretched a little too much, I think. Okay, that's going to be it. We're going to leave it. Take the gloves off. See, this is why I say use your leftover paint, because this one turned out pretty cool. Completely different from the last one. So let's torch it.
Ooh, pretty painting, Mom.
Thank you. See if we can get anything else to come up through there. Okay. And then maybe on that one. Because that pink just really just takes over everything. Okay. That's it. Okay, give you a quick close-up. That's kind of neat. We lost like almost all of that orange, but that's okay, I didn't like it anyway. Okay, I think I like that area the most. Oh, it's pretty. Okay guys, there's your pretty for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for supporting my channel in all the ways that you do, and I hope wherever you're on the planet, you're happy and healthy. I love you all. See you later. Bye.